to do, just make a strong fist for me. Stand over here, brother. And then I want you guys taking the photo facing this way, okay? So you can get a beautiful mangroves in the back. You put her on this hand. She likes Fitbit. She broke two already, so don't want her doing that. Fiona is a
Smile, sis.
Fifi. Fiona is a great green macaw, guys, or a military macaw. Obviously, a different species from the scarlets. And she's the second sweetest bird in here, guys. A little feisty sometimes, but she's very well behaved. Hello, Fifi. So these ones do talk, guys. They say hola, hello, out, pretty bird, and they say Steelers, guys. Pittsburgh Steelers. The owner is a huge fan. I want you to stand over here, and I'm gonna put it on your left, okay?
My left?
Oh, yeah, your fifth is on your right.
The other left.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other left.
Take pictures.
Perfect. She is a little heavy and she does dig in.
It doesn't hurt though.
No, no. You just gotta be very stable with her. She feels like she's falling off, but remember, guys, she has wings, so you don't have to worry about that. We have Bonnie and Clyde up top, Jack and Rose Dawson up here for the tight.
She's flipping me off.
It kind of does. Just like giving you the bird.
Mama, you ready?
I'm ready.
The screen goes off, remember, just press this.
Yes.
We'll just keep it in the same spot. It's just still recording.
They're kind of checking us out.
Those are very lazy, guys.
Aww.
They come down when they want some treats or like when they got tired of the sunflower season, they want something. Actually, we have to bribe them down with something like a peanut or maybe a little treat, a little cookie.
So what else do you feed them besides sunflower seeds and?
Well, we give them you could say their main courses would be cooked rice with, and we also give them their fruit salad in the morning. We give them, like, they mainly eat seeds, nuts, fruit, and flowers. That's what they eat. And, we also give them their, a little bread sometimes, some crackers. They love it. My mom here. Alright, you ready, bud? One of them doesn't like being out, guys. Bro, she only flies on the hat. She could be a good scout.
Chica.
That took a while.
After this, I need to change the battery out.
Fiona here is the heaviest one. Sophisticated, she's holding it with one hand. Then when she finishes, she says, "Wait, let me finish, and then I'm gonna come on to you."
Did you zoom in on any of those up there?
That's the only thing that sucks is I can't zoom. Ann, did you get pictures of those?